So now I'm going to show you how to make the car go backwards. So it's very similar to the going forwards. So what we need to do is like this one. This one makes the car go forwards. If key up arrow pressed, then move 3 steps. So we need to do something very similar to that. So if something, so the key we want is to go backwards, we're going to use the down arrow. So if key, there we are, key pressed, and the key we care about is the down arrow. So if key down arrow pressed, then we still want it to move, but the difference is here it's 3, which is positive, and therefore it will go forwards. To make it go backwards, we use -3. So now, if we put this in our movement, so forwards, backwards. And if we want it to go maybe slowly, forwards and backwards, because cars reversing go slower. Or maybe we'll want it to reverse really, really quickly, -5. So forwards and backwards. Or super, super fast, -10. Forwards and backwards. Wow, really fast. So that's how you make your car go backwards.